Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching me. I am here to talk about Gary V, and you all know about him because he's one of the greatest content creator ever I seen. And I'm very thankful about him and grateful because pl- like I learned so many things from him, and I've been learning it. So here are some my learnings that I take from Gary Vee. So number one thing that I learned from him is patience. Patience is one of the most fundamental and most important thing if you want to become a successful person. Sometimes we are continuously doing something and continuously working, and results won't come. So in that time we start thinking in a negative way. We start leave that thing, and we start thinking that I should leave this, and this is not my passion, or this is not like my cup of tea, we can say. So we have to be patient in every field. We have to be patient, guys, because it will really help us to become a successful person in every field. Okay, this is the first thing that I learned. And the second one is be accountable. Like, accountability is something that really helps us, and accountability means we have to be responsible about our life and everything that is going on in this life. Because if you are facing bad things and bad circumstances in your life, this is your fault, not others. But so many people in these situations, they start complaining about other people's and other people's behavior and other people's opinion and what they are talking about you. So I think if someone is talking about you and talking about a person in a negative way, so in this way, in this situations, I think that person has to understand this thing, that it's totally depend on the person. It's totally depend on us, like what we are thinking about ourselves, from other people's, what other people's are talking about me. I know that they are talking about me in a negative way, so don't think like that. Always think positive and be accountable, be responsible and take decisions. Sometimes we took a wrong decisions, and that led us failure. Okay, but it's not a bad thing. Take decision. If you continuously taking decisions of your life, of your work, it helps us to become a good decision maker. you know if yeah yes, like if you take a decisions. Okay, you take a decision, and this decision is would be wrong. Okay, in next time. So it's not a big deal, guys. It's totally depend on you, because that time what you was thinking about that. So but if you are continuously taking decisions, it's not it's not like it's positive, like it's right or wrong, but it's totally depend on you, that you have to take decisions of your life. And you can take help from other peoples to take a decision, but take decision by your own self. Okay, so we have to be accountable, and the first thing, we have to be patient, we have to be accountable. And the third and fourth one is always be grateful, and always like do self love. Grateful is something, we have to be grateful about all those things that we already have in our life. We have lot of things, like lots of things in our life, but sometimes we doesn't we don't remember about all those things, that this God, like how much he's giving us. So we have to be grateful for all those things, and we have to be grateful about our parents. We have to be like, we have to be grateful about our relationships, our like family, and everything, like everything, your cars, your home. Okay, so every time you should be grateful about your life. And the next one, self-love is the really important thing. You know, self-love is something that when a person accepts himself as he is, so you have to understand that self-love is really like really helps us. So take your like first thing was be patient. Second one is be accountable, and the third one be grateful, and the last one, practice self-love. Self-love really help you. Okay, thank you very much if you are watching till now. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.